are now, guys, in Canada. As you can see, it's raining popsicles here. You can just pick it up the car, and it's delicious. It's cool and refreshing after a hard session at the gym. Here's some.
Non, ça marchera pas de lever.
This is the BMW mold.
Oh, mais peut-être.
Gonna be okay. Just dance.
We have learned from last time. We just order more.
Learn is the key in life, guys. If you want to grow, you need to learn. Eat your sushis.
So like food.
So guys, it is break time.
About to go to the gym. Taking my pre-workout in this Canadian Mason jar. Originated since 1881. Damn, that's old. Take a scoop of Achieve. I'm telling you guys, if you never tried like this pre-workout, it is kicking fast. Like in about 15-30 seconds, you will feel it tingling in your face. This is insane. Just released a new podcast episode. It's called 10 Things to Never Do in the Gym. So I recommend you to listen to this. It's quite funny. We're just talking about like what some people are doing in the gym and that you shouldn't do because it's quite annoying or it's disgusting. So if you want to check that out, you can just go on marfitt.com. Focus. Then you just click on podcast right there, and then you will land on this page, and it's episode 107, or you can just go on iTunes or SoundCloud and you will find it there. And then you can just listen to it.
You always see like the old dudes getting naked and staying naked during 3 hours, just chilling there talking to people. And usually like they seem naked, even though like they can just put like the boxer on or like something on or just having like a towel.
True.
And they're just there chilling. And sometimes like when you go like in a bigger gym where they have like a spa, sauna, little bath, cold bath and everything. They are just there every single morning. They don't even work out. They just go there to chill with all the old dudes, just stay naked and talk naked. That's the only thing they do.
So strange.
I know.
So again, guys, if you want to check that out, fittalk.com or just go on marfitt.com, click on podcast, and you will be able to listen to this interesting episode, something that we never did. Like it's just a funny one, and but it's the sad truth. So check that out. Oh, good morning. The only question, the morning question. What are you grateful for? For me, today, I know it. I will go to the gym in like an hour 30. I'm grateful for that, so I can push myself to the maximum. I have the potential to do something good with my body. I have the potential to be able to push weights and to surpass myself every single day. So that's the first thing. I'm grateful for the books. I have a bunch of books just right down here, and I'm grateful to have all this information that I can learn from and grow. And the third thing will be cat, because it's Valentine's Day and we'll do something magical. So that's what I'm grateful for today. What are you grateful for today? So guys, right now we're going to the office, take a pre-workout. We're going to meet Eric. We'll record an epic commercial. We'll record an epic workout. And then going back to the office for a little meeting. And I need to go
Minus 23 without the wind. Oh my god. That's it, guys. Boom.